So we first met our customer at an RE Plus show. We were just getting into the renewables market. One of their key engineers happened to be at the show, had come by, looked at our booth, explained an issue that he was having. They were taking all their batteries, putting it into a large container, and that part of it they had a solution for. What they didn't have a solution for, nor did they have the expertise or really experience with, is the power distribution component of it. The voltages that they were designing towards, specifically 1000 volt DC, and the amperage rating they were looking for some of the protection devices just didn't exist at that time. The risk for them was it really would have slowed down their ability to get this solution to the market. And that's where we came in.
My name is Mike Chimber. I'm the Chief Design Engineer here at ASG. I've been with ASG just about 14 years now. I was lucky enough to be involved in the design of a test stand for the Space Shuttle main landing gear actuator, which I did the electrical design on and programming. That was a lot of fun. Got to go down to Cocoa Beach and see a couple rockets take off. This particular challenge had very high voltage and current requirements, and it had to be put in a very confined space. Our parent company, HESCO, has a relationship with enclosure manufacturers, fuse manufacturers, and they're a valuable source of information. You go to them with your problem, your need, and they can quickly tell you or give you ideas on how to solve it, what's available from them, and how to use it. That's the only way you're going to make something like this succeed. The big solution was going to back-to-back enclosures. So one side would have the high voltage circuits and the rear side would have the low voltage. I've been in this industry a long time. I know a lot about enclosures. We use that network to harvest ideas and kick around some solutions and come up with a final answer.
Hi, my name is Danny Amorum. As the operations manager, I am ultimately responsible for the safety of every person and completion of every build that moves through this facility. The responsibility is carried out through our ISO 9001 quality process and procedures. Once the project has been designed and engineered, it is released to my team to be manufactured. Before we begin, we have a kickoff meeting that includes stakeholders from all departments, including engineering, project managers, and purchasing. This collaborative approach ensures that we meet the customer's expectation and timeline. We follow UL and ISO 9001 processes and procedures to ensure the consistency, accountability, and quality at every step. Quality is not owned by one department, it's owned by everyone. Throughout the manufacturing process, our technicians utilize a point-to-point verification. Each person is responsible to their own quality control, but all products have a full test and final inspection performed by our quality control department before shipping. Following NEC, UL, and ISO procedures is critical to safety. It protects the customer, the company, and each of us by ensuring we deliver a safe, compliant, and high-quality product every time.
My name's Marcus Foley. I'm the shop foreman here at ASG Power. I handle the shipping, including some of the bigger cabinets and heavier product that we send out. So my role in getting some of these panels out is making sure that everything is where it should be, it passes our quality, everything that needs to go with it is with it, it's wrapped right, and it's set up for shipment to get out the door. How it feels to send out a complete solution is feels pretty good, especially I've seen some of these in the field and all hooked up and the stuff around them, and knowing that we made that makes it all worthwhile. Well, what I think of as a complete solution is the customer has a problem, and whatever they need to fix it, we can do it.
From scratch to finish, from the design build in the beginning to the finished product at the end, and everything that falls in between, which is, it's a team effort.
Giving the customer not what he wants, but what he needs.
It's not just, hey, we've got this problem, we're going to take it to you, we give you a product or a solution back. It's really the collaboration that we work with the customer to develop that solution. We take something from beginning, we work through the problems, we provide a good solution, and we provide a partnership that's not only going to last for a year, but a number of years.